we're at LAX getting ready to board our plane to Orlando. We had to get up early this morning. We got up at 3:45 in the morning so we could leave at 4:15.
Yeah, I woke up at 2:55 though.
Oh my goodness.
It was too early for me. Yeah, so we have Emma going on the flight. Woo, I'm going to Disney World for the second time.
All right, see you there.
Yeah.
All right, we made it to Orlando. We're staying at the Walt Disney Resort Swan Hotel. There's Spaceship Earth in the background. We walked over to the International Gateway at Epcot to take care of some things like guest services with our tickets.
Rainbow on the ride. If it's raining.
We're at Disney Springs. We have reservations at the Boathouse.
Yeah.
It's like good bread. It's like has some glaze on it. These are the grilled mahi-mahi tacos.
I got kids mac and cheese. I knew this was some.
Coconut shrimp and a garden salad.
I got popcorn shrimp.
How was the mac and cheese? 5 out of 5? Kevin, how was the popcorn shrimp? The tacos are really good. It has a pretty strong flavor to it. I'd say 4.5 out of 5. They're pretty good. Not superb, but pretty good.
Coconut shrimp, I give it 4.5 out of 5. I feel like it needs a little bit more coconut. Like you see it, but it's not super strong flavor. But it's breaded very nicely.
This bread is so good. 5 out of 5.
This dog actually has her thing on.
The waiter saw her happy birthday pin, so he brought us a cupcake. We had a delicious dinner at the Boathouse, and now we're gonna walk around Disney Springs. It's the Amphicar. This place is crowded. It's amazing how much bigger Disney Springs is than downtown Disney. We joined the virtual queue for Gideon's about 2 hours ago, and they just called us that we can get in line now. And this is the line after being called back. Wow, it smells delicious in here. It's like a cross between Harry Potter and Tim Burton. Getting the original chocolate chip.
The triple chocolate, a triple, and also a Oreo.
Gideon's doesn't have any gluten-free cookies, so I'm going to head over to Sprinkles and use their cupcake ATM to get a gluten-free cupcake. All right, we got our Gideon's cookies and I got a Sprinkles cupcake, and now we're heading back to our hotel. We'll be back at Disney Springs later in the trip. This is such a large bus center. There are 25 different bus stations here. Oh, wow, cool. We can see a little bit of the Epcot fireworks. All right, so which cookie is this?
The original.
The original chocolate chip giant Gideon's cookie. So yummy? Yummy, Kevin? This is my red velvet Sprinkles cupcake. Mmm, yummy. We're gonna get ready for bed. Tomorrow's Magic Kingdom. We're at the Ticketing and Transportation Center. We're gonna take the ferry across to the Magic Kingdom. We're having breakfast on the ferry. Alright, we made it into Magic Kingdom. It's 8:42. Park open was at 9. We wanted to be here before 8:30, but it took quite a while to get here from the hotel. We walked downstairs at our hotel at 7:20, so it took an hour and 20 minutes to get into the park here, waiting for the bus from the hotel to the transportation center, going through security, and then taking the ferry across. We got magic bands. Rebecca got the Winnie the Pooh magic band. Alright, as part 2 of the breakfast, we're having some Gideon's cookies and cream as we wait for Adventureland to open.
This one's really good.
So since we missed the first rope drop, we're rope dropping Adventureland. Alright, now we're waiting for Frontierland to open. Alright, our first ride is Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. The Disney World lines are, in general, more intricate. There's more stuff to look at in line. They have canary cages because they used to be an indication of dangerous fumes in the mines. Our next attraction is Haunted Mansion. I think because he fell into the bath, there's bubbles. The lines here have a lot of shade, which is nice. Yeah, and fans. Oh, it blows on you. Oh, the organ. Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Awaken the spirit with your tambourine.
Let's see what we got. We got a skinny weird person. Haunted Mansion was fun. There were some little differences, but there were enough differences that made it like kind of new and fun. They didn't have the Hatbox Ghost though. We're doing the Little Mermaid next. This is cool. Again, an example of how the line is really neat. Yeah, it's so much cuter than in Anaheim. Oh yeah, there's a little crab in there. It looks like Ursula. Oh, it brings back memories of when we ate at Royal Table. We have a lightning lane for Jungle Cruise.
Wait an hour and 30 minutes if we didn't get this.
Oh, it's an hour and 30 minutes right now? Oh my goodness.
It's a site for your own adventure, but it doesn't. Let's do your job here at the world famous Jungle Cruise. I like to tell them it's plain to see. It's that one. They are going bananas. We better get their point across.
Next is Swiss Family Treehouse. They don't have the water wheel going, that's too bad.
Is that where you're heading?
The big white dome is where Tron is going to be. Cooling off. Does the fan feel good? Ah, it feels good. On to Tomorrowland for the People Mover.
It moves people.
Yes. Double fan.
Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. Speedway, put the pedal to the metal. It's a secure chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about killing.
Tron construction. It's up there.
Oh, it's inside.
Yeah.
Is incorporated, so drop in and join Mike Wazowski.
Next is the Carousel of Progress.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away. Tomorrow's just a dream away. Man has a dream, and that's the story. He follows his dream.
That was fun. I like the Carousel of Progress. It's relaxing. It's fun to see that. It's a clever attraction. And Rachel found a hidden Mickey in it. At the base of the Christmas tree there was a Mickey Mouse. You saw that? Next we're going to check out the Hall of Presidents.
Our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, created equal. Now we are engaged in a great...
Ladies and gentlemen, the Presidents of the United States of America. George Washington. John Adams.
All right, we're leaving the park. We're gonna head over to the Contemporary for lunch at Steakhouse 71. We're on Monorail Coral. This is the famous Mary Blair artwork, and there's an animal, I think it's on the top left with 5 legs. Yeah, that's cool. These Easter eggs.
Those kids know about small world.
Yeah. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Alright, we're eating at Steakhouse 71. They're having a special Easter brunch. And one year at Easter, we ate at Lumiere's.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I remember that they had a big Easter egg in front. Here's the bread service. Looks amazing.
What is that?
I don't know, it's like base. Smell it.
That's cool how it just brings
Oh, that's right.
So this is like some sort of jam. Interesting. I like the chairs here. They're so comfy. Rachel and I got the stack burger. They say it's supposed to be really good. A little fry basket. Rachel got a wedge salad. Kayla got the filet mignon. And Rebecca got a cheeseburger. The filet looks really good. Is it good, Kaylin?
Yeah.
What would you rate the filet?
I rate it a 5 out of 5.
Nice.
Delicious. Some steaks have too much fat or aren't cooked as well, but this is perfect. It's cooked perfectly.
Nice.
And I love the apples too.
Nice. How was your cheeseburger, Rebecca?
2.5.
Oh. 2.5, why? Because you felt it was burnt?
And the bun is too small.
What do you rate the bread?
Oh, this bread is good, but they shouldn't charge.
Everyone gave the bread 5 out of 5. Nice. I tried Kaylin's filet. It was really good. Rachel, you said a 4?
Yeah, I think 4. I mean, it's really good. It's just super hearty.
Yeah. So I think I would give this a 3. It's good. It's just very rich. Cheryl's got ice cream sundaes. Comes with some chocolate syrup, chocolate chips, and Mickey sprinkles. That's neat.
Yeah. I like how they're red and white and black sprinkles.
Yeah.
The Mickey's colors.
Rebecca had wanted mac and cheese, but they didn't have it on the Easter brunch menu, and they didn't have steak on the adult menu.
Only Caitlin got what she wanted.
Yeah, Caitlin was happy with her steak. They only had steak on the kids menu right now because it's the brunch service. People had said that the hamburgers were really good, but we just found it to be just really heavy. That cheese and bacon, it was very rich. Hello! Alright, we're all sunscreened and ready to go back to the park. We found the goat with the 5 legs. Get on here.
I know, we have to do the full loop.
Yeah. We have the monorail all to ourselves. Rebecca's magic band matches her shirt. Alright, we're back at Magic Kingdom.
I'm a vegetarian.
We have a lightning lane for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train next.
Thank you.
The regular line is 1 hour and 35 minutes.
Skipping it, so that's good.
Air conditioned lines are nice. All right, girls got front row. Let's go.
It's home from work we go.
I see the evil witch at the door. Oh, there she is. She's dancing. Next is Splash Mountain. Good time to get wet. It's nice and hot right now. Oh, slip and fall. Oh boy.
Look yonder, there goes Brer Rabbit, being chased by Brer Fox and Brer Bear. Look yonder.
Oh boy, I got wet.
Way less wet than Disneyland though.
Yeah. You guys got wet? Yeah. I like the differences. There are some really cute parts to that.
Yeah, I like the one better.
I think Rebecca and Kayla are gonna get wet. Are you getting splashed at all? I think we all liked this Splash Mountain more than the one at Disneyland. It's the fun being side by side, and your face gets wet, but your whole body doesn't get quite as wet, like your shoes and
My face didn't get wet.
Are you facing it wet? Oh, I got sprayed. And I like the cute details in the characters.
And it was funny because when we stopped, we were right next to the water park, and I was right next to it, so I was just getting splashed.
And you don't get wet in the dark area. Hello, squirrel. There's actually a real sign for alligators and snakes in the area because this water connects to other Florida waterways. It's a cute area, the Rapunzel theme.
To Neverland.
That was fun. I think that was better than ours. It felt longer to me. Yeah, there was more stuff. Now we're going to Dumbo. In this play area for kids while the adults stand in line. Here we go. Wow. Get out. Now we're at the Barnstormer. Whoa! It's a little bumpy. The reins will be safe. Rebecca loves it. This is Rebecca's first roller coaster 5 years ago.
It's like a really cute area.
Yeah, this whole circus area, yeah. Ah, the monkey's squirting. Did you get wet?
I want to get wet because it's not that hot out.
They just had some fireworks over the castle. And we have a lightning lane for pirates. Show for for this one, we all agreed that the one in Anaheim is better. It's longer there, it has more stuff, it has the bayou. This one was well done and had some sense in there, which was cool, which was a little different. But not quite as extensive as the one in Anaheim. Alright, Mobile ordered some refreshments at the Aloha Isle Refreshments. This is the Tropical Serenade. Pineapple orange guava juice, coconut soft serve, and an upside down pineapple cake pop. So which one is this?
Normal.
Dole Whip, and we got a raspberry swirl. It's the perfect place to eat our tropical treats right in front of the tiki room. I think I found the perfect combination, which is the coconut from this and the pineapple from the Dole Whip. Those two together are great. Ah, well that hit the spot. I really enjoyed that Tropical Serenade.
Temporarily pause Mickey's Magical Friendship Fair, but don't go away. We hope to resume very soon.
It started to rain. We're gonna seek some cover.
Woo! Except I'm not wearing my poncho.
You're not gonna wear your poncho? Alright, it's starting to rain, so we put ponchos on. We have a lightning lane for Winnie the Pooh. The rain is coming down pretty hard. It's good we're undercover right now. These lines are so neat how they have all this interactive stuff. Yeah, the vehicle, I like the honey pot instead of the beehive that you ride in.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. It's poncho time again. Looks like everyone in the gift shop is trying to get ponchos. Woo! Alright, you want to try to, yeah, that's a good idea. Alright, we're going to try to seek some shelter in the PhilharMagic. Okay, we got out of the rain. Well, due to the inclement weather, they canceled the show. I guess they didn't want people with wet bodies sitting in the seats. They said we can wait in this area. Alright, well, change of plans. They said they're going to show the show, so we put our ponchos back on and we took them back off. And we're gonna go see the show. Alright, we're trying to head to Main Street now. Gonna go in some shops. Oh, the couch is starting to look pretty. Oh, okay. We can't go that way. We have to go all the way around then. Alright, our path was blocked, so we're going the other way. There's just some lightning in the sky. Oh. Oh, look at the lightning in the sky. The bus stopped right where there's a waterfall from the rain gutter. It's a little crazy. We made it to the boardwalk, and then we're gonna walk to our hotel from here. Alright, we're seeing how far we can walk. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the pretty wildland galleries. Oh, looks like you jumped into the pool. Alright, we found the bakery. Yay! Alright, got a little treat heading back to the hotel. Let's see how much can stay dry. A lot of lightning. There's a big lake here. I don't think that's impassable. Go maybe against the curb? That's gonna get our shoes soaking. I guess Rebecca doesn't care. Let's try the curb here.
I don't think that's any better, Alan.
Alright, so much for keeping my shoes somewhat dry. Oh my gosh. Alright guys. Holy moly. Well, I stayed fairly dry until that last stretch, and now our shoes are soaked. I feel like we just jumped in the pool with our clothes on. Well, I really hope there's a hairdryer in the room. We need to. It's gonna take like all night to dry our shoes. I almost took them off. Let's look at these pretty swans. I brought the GoPro for Splash Mountain, but I didn't think I'd need it just for the rest of the day. Well, half my shorts got soaked. All right, we made it back to the room. We're trying to dry out the shoes. All right, back in the room, and girls are having a triple chocolate cookie from Gideon's.
Since we have our cookie, Johnny needs to have his Rice Krispie 50th anniversary special thingy.
Yeah, special Rice Krispie treat for the 50th anniversary. All right, time for bed. Tomorrow's Epcot.